What's the function like sum but for multiplication? Product? Python sum function returns the sum of numbers in an iterable. I'm looking for the function that returns the product instead. I'm pretty sure such a function exists, but I can't find it.
Update. In Python 3.8, the prod function was added to the math module. See math.prod. Older info, Python 3.7 and prior. The function you're looking for would be called prod or product, but Python doesn't have that function. So, you need to write your own, which is easy. Pronouncement on prod. Yes, that's right. Meadow rejected the idea for a built-in prod function because he thought it was rarely needed. Alternative with reduce. As you suggested, it is not hard to make your own using reduce and operator.mul. Note, in Python 3, the reduce function was moved to the functools module. Specific case, factorials. As a side note, the primary motivating use case for prod is to compute factorials. We already have support for that in the math module. Alternative with logarithms. If your data consists of floats, you can compute a product using sum with exponents and logarithms. Note, the use of log requires that all the inputs are positive.
Historically, Meadow vetoed the idea, this URL. As noted in that issue, you can make your own.
There's a prod in NumPy that does what you're asking for. There isn't one built in, but it's simple to roll your own, as demonstrated here. See answers to this question. Which Python module is suitable for data manipulation in a list?